Good evening, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing 1.3E1. So the first thing we're going to do is write our name and our date. I'm going to write my name and my date. Now I'm going to look at my first problem. 4 plus 2 equals something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture to help support my understanding. I have 4 circles. I add 2 more circles, so I have 4, 5, 6. So I have a total, or a sum, of 6 circles. For this one, I see 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to take away 1 circle. So I'm going to cross 1 out, and that means I have 3 circles left. For this one, I have 3 minus 2, so I'm going to draw 3 circles. I'm going to cross out 2 circles, and I have 1 circle left. You can use a different method to solve this. You can use counters, you can use your fingers, just as long as you're using something to help support your understanding and your answer makes sense. Next, we're going to fill in the missing numbers. 25 something, 35 something, something. I know if I added 1 more, my number would be 26, and we don't go 25, 26, so I know it's not 1 more. Next, I'm going to try 2 more. 25, 27, 35. That doesn't make sense either. Now I'm going to try 5 more. 25, 30, 35. That does work, so I know I'm counting by 5s. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Let's look at this one. 15, something, 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 35. I wonder if I'm counting by 5s again because I was counting by 5s in the top. Let's try it. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That worked. So I know that I'm counting by 5. So 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now we're going to compare the sets below. I know this is 10 because my 10 frame is full and 3 more. So I know that number is 13. Over here, I see I have 10 and 5 more. So I know that number is 15, or 1 group of 10 and 5 leftovers. I'm going to then look at my words. 13 is something to 15. I know 15 has more 1s than 13, so I know 13 is less than 15 because it has less 1s than 15. Show 3 different ways to represent the number 8. You could show the number 8 by drawing circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could show the number 8 by drawing a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could show the number 8 by drawing a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could show the number 8 in standard form, which is writing the number. You could show the number 8 in tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are many ways to show the number 8. These are just a few ways you could use. You could even show the number 8 on a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the back, number 5, draw a picture to represent this number sentence. My first number is 12. I see I'm 12 minus 7. So I'm going to draw 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I put my circles in groups of 5 so I could make what looks like a 10 frame to help me make sure it's 12. If you don't need to do that or you want to do it a different way, that is okay. Now what am I doing? I know I'm separating or losing 7. So I can color in 7 or I could X 7. I'm going to X them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see I have 5 left. So I know 12 minus 7 is 5. Now I'm going to check my work. I crossed out 5, 6, 7. Max has 8 pretzels. He ate 4 pretzels. How many pretzels does Max have? Draw a picture and write the number sentence. Well, I know Max has 8 pretzels. I'm going to represent those pretzels with squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I know Max had 8 pretzels. He ate 4 pretzels, so I know he's going to lose 4 pretzels. I know we're separating. So when I'm separating, I want to use my minus sign. Minus 4 pretzels, and that's going to have a difference of a number. So I'm going to say he has his 8 pretzels. Now he ate 4, so I'm going to cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I see that he has 1, 2, 3, 4 pretzels left. So I know 8 minus 4 equals 4. This is my picture. This is my number sentence. If you want to draw a picture with circles or triangles, you can do that. You could even draw pretzels. That would be okay. Number 7, use words, numbers, or pictures to explain how to solve the addition number sentence below. So if I was using words, I could say I have 9 of something. I'm going to join or add 2 more of that same thing to get a total. I could show it by saying 9 plus 2 equals, and I can count on 9, 10, 11. I could even draw 9 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and add on 2 more circles to have a total of 11. Kennedy has 4 chocolate cupcakes and 7 strawberry cupcakes. How many more strawberry cupcakes does Kennedy have? Explain how matching the cupcakes helps solve the problem. Well, what I know is I know she's got 4 chocolate, and I see that they already drew that picture for me. I also see that she has 7 strawberry, and I see they also drew that picture for me. I'm going to double check that 7 though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7. I want to figure out how many more strawberry cupcakes Kennedy has than chocolate. So I know that these ones are the same or equal. I see these 2 are equal. These 2 are equal. And these 2 are equal. I see this set right here is missing some cupcakes. And that's what I'm looking for, is how many more strawberry do we have than chocolate? So I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3. I see I have 3 more strawberry cupcakes than chocolate. Or 7 minus 4 equals 3.